Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas price, what you can see that the natural gas price has moved widely and made a high of around 5.191, and from there it made a fall of around 4.458. Okay, so remember one thing, that in case of war, what had happened, that the price of natural gas, because of the import and export of natural gas, because of the balance, this situation has come, and because of the price has moved upside, and after that after making a high of that particular month, it has come down. Okay, and now a green candle we can see. So it has made the green candle's high was around 4.674. okay, so before that, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in natural gas and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join, or you can attend my workshop also. I'll do regularly workshop as per the timing that suits you, and the group wise also. Okay, now look at the chart. So now if we look at the chart, what we can see, that this particular candle, green candle, after making a low, that these three candles were red, and from there we have seen this, the price has been stable for a period of time. After that, the high of that green candle is 4.668, and the low of that candle is around 4.512. okay, the price is currently moving at around 4.168. so understand one thing, we have seen a continuous uptrend. Okay, and this is the low 3.872. after touching this particular low, it is continuously in uptrend, and okay, and high was around 5.178. okay, and this is the particular high in the month of Feb. okay, and before, in the starting of this particular month, okay, and the high was 5.30314. okay, so understand one thing, after this particular high, it came down, and from there again it has moved up. So what we can see in the next week, see, if you look at, suppose the price sustain this level, we can see it can move towards a level of 4.668. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards a level of 4.745 is high, and probability of touching its high. okay, so if it sustain above a level of 4.660, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.745. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 4.784. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 4.900, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.946, and this 4.946 is already being tested here twice, so chances of going towards 5.02 is high. so if this touch this level, then we can see it is a resistance which is not being tested here, so chances will be high that it can bounce back from this level. okay, and suppose if it, and the next support we can see is coming at around 4.9, so if it can touch this level and bounce back up again and can touch a level of 5.178. okay, and suppose if that touch level, then if it goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.217, and from there we can see if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 5.308. so once if it touch this level, then we can see further upside towards a level of 5.482, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards 5.701 is high, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 5.896. okay, and if this level sustain, then we can see further upside. You can check my video if the price goes above this level 5.896, and then I will update you if the price comes near to this channel. I'll upload a new video regarding this. I have an eye on the price of natural gas and other commodities. okay, I'll update on my Telegram channel, you can join that. okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, because market is volatile, somebody have in the comment have asked me regarding this, that I'm giving upside and both the thing, but I'm not telling you exact where it moves. So understand one thing, market is uncertain, so if it hit a particular resistance or a point, I can tell you that this is moving an upside, or if it goes up below this level and a support, then I can say it is moving downside. So I'm explaining you as per that. okay, I'm not telling you overall trend. You can see it is moving upside. Okay, but I'm telling you, as per your trading as well as for investing purpose, so for a longer view you always check for a larger view. Okay, for trading of for if you're trading for a week or a month wise, then you have to check the chart as per that. Okay, now suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see, or if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.521, and from there we can see it can further low towards a level of 4.385. and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.343, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 4.309. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.182, and these levels, if suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.038. okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 3.860, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards a level of 3.649 is high, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards a level of 3.505 is high. okay, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards down further low we can see. okay, now understand one thing, these levels are already being tested here. okay, so suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 3.378, and from there we can see it can fall further towards a level of 3.191. okay, now if we look at, I explained it again, if the price sustain above this level 4.666, then we can see it can move towards a level of 4.741, and from there we can see a level of 4.944. okay, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 5.198, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 5.316. but suppose if it goes below this level, currently trading at a 4.600, if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 4.512. from there we can see it can move further towards a level of 4.470, and if this price didn't sustain, we can see it can come towards a level of 4.360, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can move towards a level of 4.233, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 4.038. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 3.877, and these levels are already being tested here. okay, so chances of going towards 3.835 is high, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 3.640, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 3.505, and these levels are being tested here, so chances of going towards further low is high and can touch a level of 3.496, and from there we can see a level of 3.386. okay, and this level also didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 3.191, and if the price goes below this level, you can check my previous video where I have explained if the price goes below and down this level. okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.